Friends, if you believe that success in life means only collecting money, then listen to this story till the end. Because this is not an ordinary story. It is a truth that will completely change the way you think about money. Don't save money. Hearing this sentence, you might be surprised and think in your heart, what kind of strange advice is this? But this is the truth my grandfather taught me, and today I am passing the same lesson on to you. In a small village, there lived an old man. People called him lazy. They thought he was useless. He never went to work. All day long, he sat on a broken bamboo chair under a thick tree, staring into empty space, lost in his thoughts. He made big plans, but never acted on them. He used to say, "One day I will open a big shop. One day I will buy land. I will raise cattle and become the richest landowner in the village." He said, "I will work very hard and earn a lot of money." But that one day never came. Time passed. People first stopped laughing at him. Then they stopped listening to him. Now, when people saw him, they only felt pity. His wife often said sadly,
Dreaming is not bad, but living only on dreams is cheating yourself. To achieve something in life, you have to work. You have to struggle. You have to sweat.
But the man would only smile, nod his head, and say, "One day a way will appear by itself." Days turned into months. Months turned into years, and life became harder and harder. One night, as he was lying on his rope bed, his little grandson came barefoot and stood beside him. In an innocent voice, he said,
"Grandfather, I am hungry. I want bread."
The grandmother opened the cupboard. It was completely empty. At that moment, the old man lowered his eyes. For the first time, he realized deeply that dreams cannot be eaten and thoughts do not fill the stomach. That night, his eyes stayed awake. The next morning, with the weight of shame in his heart, he went to work as a laborer in the fields. The sun was burning. The land was hot. His body was soaked in sweat. Life felt extremely hard to him. In the evening, he returned home tired and silent. Dinner was simple, some beans and bread. The grandson ran toward him happily and asked,
"Grandfather, how much money did you earn today?"
The old man looked at the coins and said, "They are little, but at least they are something." But the truth was, money never stayed. Sometimes illness, sometimes medicines, sometimes daily expenses. Everything consumed it. One day, at the village shop, he heard people saying, "The one who saves money becomes rich." This thought settled in his mind. That night, he took out a large glass jar and hid it under the bed. Every week, by cutting his needs, by eating less, he put a few coins into it. The sound of coins gave him comfort and hope. But the price of that hope was hunger. No new clothes came, shoes kept breaking, food became less and less. One day, the grandmother could not stay silent anymore.
If we have to stay hungry anyway, what is the use of this saving?
He had no answer. Months passed, and one day the jar was full. Happily, he went to the market to buy wheat. But prices had increased. The shopkeeper counted the money and said, "With this amount, you will get only a little more than half a sack." At that moment, the truth became clear to him. Money loses its value with time. When he came home, he spread all the coins on the table, but they were not growing. One morning, he saw his neighbors. Someone was carrying milk. Someone had eggs. There was no fear on their faces. There was peace. Then he remembered his grandson's words.
Grandfather, what if we raise chickens?
He stood up immediately. He took out the remaining saved money and bought a few chickens. Soon eggs started coming. Some they ate, some they sold. With that money, more chickens came. One day, standing among the chickens, he said, "This one egg is more valuable than that glass jar. It feeds us, it grows, and it does not lose its value." The grandson hugged him tightly. The grandfather smiled and said, "I have learnt the biggest secret of life. Saving money is like trying to hold water in your fist. Money always slips away." Real wisdom is in putting money to work. Even if the beginning is small, take the step. Because this is the way to become rich and the way to move forward in life. Friends, if you liked this story, please share it with your loved ones. And for more meaningful stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.